Welcome to part 3 of our 1.5 degrees Celsius series. Have you ever wondered why the Paris Agreement lists 1.5 degrees Celsius as the global temperature increase threshold? In the 1990s, climate scientists and policymakers talked about a 2 degrees Celsius global temperature increase as a safe boundary to avoid dangerous levels of climate change. But small island nations and least developed countries argued 2 degrees Celsius would be catastrophic for them due to sea level rise and storms. In the 2000s and 2010s, to project the effects of a 1.5 degrees Celsius temperature anomaly rise, scientists used a combination of historical global mean surface temperature data from weather stations, paleoclimate data from ice cores, tree rings just like this one here, and coral reefs, and a climate model called the Coupled Model Intercomparison Project 6, or CMIP6. Their projections showed that the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold being surpassed would cause a significant increase in a risk for heat waves, droughts, biodiversity loss, and sea level rise. Though ambitious, staying below a 1.5 degrees Celsius temperature anomaly was considered essential to protect vulnerable people, ecosystems, and the planet's future. The findings caused vulnerable nations to press for more action at COP21 in 2015. And at the conference, 195 member states signed the Paris Agreement, which set the goal of limiting the global mean surface temperature anomaly to well below 2 degrees Celsius, and ideally limiting it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. So the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold was set due to a combination of scientific analysis and political negotiations, and both were driven by climate vulnerable nations pressing for greater protections.